How to Spotify Premium on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get Spotify Premium on iPhone. So if you want to get Spotify Premium on your iPhone, you may have to know that when you click on your Spotify account and head over to this premium option, you can't actually buy it from over here. So as you can see, there are plenty of options, but you can't buy it from over here. So what you can basically do is just head over to any of your browser, and you have to buy it from your browser. So just search in Spotify Premium and just click on login, just like this. And once you log into your account, your free account from over here, just click on premium and just select which type of premium you want. Just click on any for type of premium. For example, if you want individual, duo, or family, or student, just click on any of these, and you just have to simply click on this get premium option from over here, which will redirect you to this page. And once you log in, it will ask you for your payment method, PayPal or credit card or debit card. You just have to enter all of your credit card or debit card or your desired payment details, and just like that, you have successfully bought your Spotify Premium account on iPhone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.